A country that pays the highest salary can differ greatly depending on a variety of factors, such as the country's economic situation, its industry, its occupation, and its cost of living. Despite this, some countries are generally known for having high salaries. It is important to note that this information is not exhaustive and may change over time. Below are a couple of examples that I would like to share with you. 1. Switzerland. Switzerland is often ranked among the countries with the highest average salaries due to its strong economy, financial sector, and high standard of living. 2. Luxembourg. Known for its thriving finance and banking industry, Luxembourg offers high salaries to attract skilled professionals. It also has a high cost of living. 3. United States. With a diverse and competitive job market, the United States offers high salaries across different industries, particularly in sectors such as technology, finance, and healthcare. 4. Norway. Norway's petroleum industry, along with its strong social welfare system, contribute to high average salaries. The country also benefits from its natural resources, including oil and gas. 5. Australia. Australia is known for its high minimum wage and strong economy. Sectors like mining, finance, and IT offer lucrative salary packages. 6. Denmark. Denmark consistently ranks among the countries with high salaries due to its progressive labor market policies and strong welfare system. Although high salaries may be appealing, other factors such as taxes, cost of living, and quality of life should also be considered when evaluating overall income and job opportunities abroad. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing for more insightful content.